Alright. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing a fuel pressure regulator. It's an eBay cheapo. I'm going to show you how to wire everything. So, let me get the camera in position. That way you guys can see. Alright. So, first you want to find out where you want to mount it. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount it yet, but I'm going to show you how you hook up the hoses and everything. So normally you'll have your stock intake. The hose will go right here to your regulator, but obviously mine's teed off for the blow-off valve and other shit. So you want to take off the hose that's going to the regulator right here. Unplug that. You're going to connect it to the top of the pressure regulator, the smallest one. You're going to connect it to it like this. Then you're going to see a hose connected to this, which is right here, right on the bottom of it. You're going to connect this hose to here. It's not long enough yet. I have an extension I'm going to show you right now, but it's going to connect to the bottom. That's going to be your drain. And then the adapter piece, which I'm going to grab real quick, I'll show you. This adapter piece, you're going to put it right where this is. Then you're going to have a hose coming off of this, a hose coming off from right here, going over here, which is going to go to the back of the fuel pressure regulator. So I'm going to get that all hooked up and I'll go from there. So this is pretty much everything you're going to need. You're going to need some pliers so that we can pull the clamps off, 10mm to remove the pressure regulator, and basically some clamps. This is my extension I was talking about. Let me focus that. This is going to connect to this extension piece. It's going to connect right here, and then the one from the car is going to connect to the other end. That way it's longer so I can reach it to the train. So I'll get right back to it. Hey, what's up YouTube? So I took off the regulator. I took the old washer that was, or the old gasket. I put it on the new one. As you can see, looks pretty good. So now we're gonna go put it on the car. So right now it looks like this. Don't forget, I forgot to mention this, you want to pop your gas cap, take it out to relieve pressure. I just left it on top. I don't recommend it if you have good paint to put the gas cap on top, because it'll eat your paint. So that's what it's gonna look like. Focus on this thing right here. There we go. Sorry about that. But now what you're going to do, you're going to put this like this and put the bolts in. So I'm going to do that right now real quick because I need two hands. You can see I spliced it in. Now what I'm going to do is cut off what I need for the drain. I'm just probably going to cut it like, I got to first still figure out where I'm going to put this thing. Shit. Yeah, I'll get back to that. Gotta find out where I'm gonna put this thing at. Trying to find a bolt that I can use, maybe bend the bracket a bit. Alright, stay tuned guys. Guys, I got it all hooked up. I actually made it fit like this. This works great. All I did is just bend the bracket over my filter in the back. And I'll show you how I have it all wired up, because I know this is what most people want to know. So, vacuum line goes into my T right here. That T goes right here. Just follow it. My bad. Follow it right here. Goes up to the vacuum. This is vacuum. Now, from right here, hopefully you can see this. Okay. This is going to go all the way to the back of it. So if you look at the front of it, it's going to go to the back, behind the vacuum. Then your drain, which is the one I teed, I split right here. It's going to come from the fuel rail on the bottom. I'm going to go follow it all the way to the bottom. It's going to go underneath. Make sure you have all your clamps on there nice and tight. So now I'm going to test it and see if it works. As you can see, hold on, I'm plugging the fan real quick. As you can see, we do have pressure. I'm not sure if it's adjusted yet. I do know I need about 40 psi, I believe, 43 for the Honda Civic. Let's see if it starts up. I don't think it will. It looks a little low. It should be up in the 40s. find out right now. Oh, that was a tool falling off. It's starting right up. Let's see what we're getting. Looks a little low. Happens when I'm revving. Yeah, no, that's too low. Alright, so adjust it. It needs to be up in the 40s. Otherwise, I'm running it lean as fuck. Alright, be right back. I got it. So now we're at about 38. But I figured out how to adjust it now. Now it's all set. Figured with the car running, so as you can see, I'm decreasing it. Increase this. Oh, hold on, enough getting tighter. So, as you can see, I increased it. Go to the left. It'll decrease it. See that? Going slowly down. So I'm gonna leave it at right about there. And you're going to tighten that nut down to 12 millimeters. Now it's sounding the car's idling perfect. That's pretty much it. Pretty easy. You also want to check and make sure you have no leaks. Like I said, this is all eBay. I haven't had any problems besides my exhaust. Oh yeah, also I got my AC all back in now. Everything works. AC is nice and cold. So I already checked everything. There's no leaks. Definitely don't want to leak around this area. Now I just gotta see if the hood closes. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe.